So if you're wondering why Abby has, she's got some green on her head, yeah, she decided to eat a marker. Ding dong dog. Anyway, I think these guys went outside. I had to charge the battery a little bit. All right, there you go. Oh, there's Bud. I thought you went up to the house. It is a balmy, steaming 21 degrees out right now. Well, hi guys. 21 degrees, but the sun's out, there's no wind. It's really not too bad. Go back in here to the shop. It's nice and warm in here and see what's going on there. Well, I was wrong. I figured it was James, but it was my wife calling. She's going to the store and wanted to know if we needed anything else. Yeah, that's for something else, but I am making wings tonight. I just got these racks all cleaned off. I got the wings sitting up here because I pulled them out of the freezer and they weren't quite thawed out. So they're thawing out up there. They probably are thawed out by now. I've got them seasoned and everything. And gonna be doing that here shortly. So anyway, yeah, it was the wife that called. And evidently she is off work a little earlier than expected. So I got that plugged in. I need to get the smoker fired up here. Making wings tonight. My daughter really, really wants them. So I need to get this going. That cleaned out. Don't eat that, Abby. What do you think, Jess? So we'll stick this back in here and get ready to go. And I need to get this turned on. Let's see, set temp, we're gonna go at 225. Time, 24 hours, that's good. All right, we got that started up. And it's only 3:35, 6, something like that. But take a couple hours to do it. So if I get them started at 4, should be done by supper time. And as I was saying, James over at Central Oregon Shenanigans, if you don't know who that is, we did a collaboration here, I don't know, 3-4 months ago. Him and Kyle over there, they have a lot of OBS Ford truck stuff that they're doing. And I think he's gonna be working on the Bronco tonight with a video out tomorrow, probably the same time this one comes out. So if you don't know who I'm talking about, there'll be a link down in the description, button on the end screen. You can go check them out, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell. Same on this channel, that way you always know when we upload videos. As far as what's going on with this thing, this is a 99 Tahoe if you haven't been following along. Anyway, I thought it was the water pump. I replaced the water pump. Well, actually, I kind of replaced it twice because gasket slid out of place. So I had to take it all back apart again, get new gaskets, put that on. And I don't really think it was the water pump, although it was making a little bit of an odd sound. So I think it was on its way out anyway. But don't do what I did. And I don't know if you really can avoid it, but the heater hose, which is, it's right here. They have a quick connect on these. And of course, they put aluminum into steel. Well, Ford's done it too. Aluminum into steel does not work very well. It has a reaction that kind of welds it all together. And there's a fitting down there. Broke right off at the top of the intake manifold. And here's the top part of the fitting that I pulled out of there. And yeah, it's aluminum. The new one I got is all steel, a little bit different design. But yeah, I got a bit of a problem here. And that is so common. Watch some videos on this before you do it. It's so common they actually have a tool made to take that out. It's kind of like a screw extractor type of thing. But I have it ordered, it won't be here for a couple of days. And hopefully I can get that thing out of there. If not, I don't know, I'll keep working on it and see what I can do. I will get it out of there one way or another. And here's the new fitting right here. And this one shouldn't cause any problems if you screw that in, but I don't know why they put aluminum into the block like that. This always causes problems, but this one should work. Another option you could do is just get a regular hose, like a hose barb fitting type thing. You just screw that down in there and just, you know, get some heater hose and a clamp, and might be better than this. But anyway, when I took this all apart, now looking back on it, I don't know if I even needed to remove this. This came out with the plastic part on it, which was, I think it's out here. Yeah, this guy here. And actually this is supposed to be down inside of that. And I think maybe part of it broke off because there was a big ring of plastic stuff down in there. I wonder if I couldn't have left that in there, got a new one of these, put it on that, and if that would have worked. I don't know. But from what I've seen, this is a real common issue. Anytime you try to remove one of these, they snap off. I've watched several videos on it. I should have done that before I ever started. Didn't think it was going to be a problem. I went to take that out, and as soon as I tried to loosen it, it just snapped right off. I've seen videos where they take a hacksaw blade and they'll cut, I don't know if you can see, but they'll cut 3 or 4 places around that, and then they take like a screwdriver and a hammer, and they can knock that out because it's aluminum, a lot softer metal, and they'll get that out of there. Then you run a tap through there and just clean out the threads. I ordered the little special tool that you drive down in there, and we'll try to remove it that way. If that doesn't work, then we'll do the hacksaw way. I did knock a few little pieces out of there, but I don't know, it's not working real good. Really don't want to have to take the intake manifold off of this thing and get it fixed that way, or just a whole new intake manifold. I really don't want to do that. And all over this stupid part. Stupid aluminum going into the block. That's just dumb. I don't know why they did that. So I'm in a little bit of a lull right here. I got a few days to wait on parts to show up, that tool and the tap to tap that out. I really want to get this thing out of here and get my truck back in here. A couple things I need to do on that. But right now I'm kind of in a holding pattern. Just can't really do a whole lot until I get this thing fixed. As far as the new heater goes, I think I said in my last video, I got the gas line all ran, I got the electric ran, I got the thermostat ran, everything's ready to go, and they came and looked at it. The tank has to be 10 feet outside away from the building, so they're gonna do that, and then we're just gonna run black pipe, connect into here, and should be good to go. I think they're gonna do that here this next week. And then I won't have to put up with these guys firing off all the time. So like I said, I am making wings tonight. My daughter has been craving these. She hasn't had them for quite a while. She was up at her grandparents'. We had them a couple of times. But just gonna get these all laid out here on the racks. Should have about 3 racks of wings. And take about 2 hours to smoke them. About 4 o'clock now, so about 6 o'clock we should be eating. Not hard to do, and usually I do this kind of thing on my barbecue channel. I have another channel, Fox Shop Barbecue. But I make these things so often, and I have a couple videos up on that channel already. It'll be linked down below. If you're interested in that kind of thing, I need to start making more videos on that channel. I just kind of hard to keep two channels going like that. But anyway, I'm gonna go put this first rack out on the smoker and load up the next 2. And for Christmas, I got this, which is it's got 4 probes that you can put into like 4 different places or 4 different meats or whatever. And you hook these up into this. This will transmit to this up to 500 feet. So you don't have to keep opening the smoker up to check temperatures. So I'm gonna hook this up and get it set up out there in the smoker, because we probably got about another 45 minutes to an hour on the wings. But I really like this. I'll show more of this here shortly. If If you're interested in getting this, I'll link it down below in the description. I really, really like it. Not horribly expensive, and it works really, really well. Well, I just set it up and I put the probe in out there. We're already at 163, if you can see that. I don't know. The set high temperature is at 149. I'm not sure why. I didn't really set it. Oh, now it's at 165. So really, the wings are done. I'm gonna let them go just a little bit longer. We're up to 167. I don't know how to make it stop beeping like that, but I do like this thing. You don't have to open the smoker up to see what your temperature's at. I just don't know how to get it to quit beeping. Set clear, maybe? I don't know. Okay, that must have done it. I don't know. Anyway, we're at 167. I'm gonna let it go just a little bit longer, probably another 15 minutes or so, and we're gonna go eat. Well, we are up to 171 on the wings, and I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go pull them off the smoker. I'm gonna try one here with that new rub, and then I'm taking it up to the house because the wife and child are hungry. All right, so I got all the wings off the smoker here. I'm gonna try one of these guys, see how that new rub tastes. I gotta say it's not real powerful, but it's good. I had some of that Traeger rub that was fin and feather, and if you get it caught up in a piece of the meat, like a big bunch of it, it's overwhelming. It's too much. This is pretty good. So I'll link that down below if you're interested in getting it. It's mild. It's mild, but just enough. So as far as this thing goes, don't do what I did. Do a little research first. I didn't even look it up on removing anything like that. I thought it was gonna be pretty straightforward. And yeah, it just twisted off right in the manifold. Pretty much just a kind of like a quick little update, maybe a little bit more, but hopefully gonna get this thing all fixed up and out of here, get my truck back in here. A couple things I want to do on that. No idea how long this video was, but give it a big old thumbs up. Comments good down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Check out Central Oregon Shenanigans, link down below. And we'll catch you next time, guys. Bye-bye.